The first problem here has us go ahead and solve this system of equations by graphing. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight each one. Let's do this first one in red here. And I'm going to start, this is my y-intercept. So I'm going to start at positive 6. And then my slope here, we can pretend they're being under 1. So I'm going to go up 3 to the right 1. And I'm going to continue doing this all the way down the entire graph. Down 3, over 1. I can go ahead and draw my straight line between all those, and then we'll go ahead and draw the second line. The second line here, my y-intercept's at negative 10, so I'm going to go all the way down here to minus 10, and then my slope here is a negative 1, so I'm going to go up 1 to the left 1, and I'm going to continue in that path until I get to the intersection point of those two lines, and I just found it there. So this point right here, we just have to identify what that is. It's negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point is negative 4, negative 6, and if we look at the multiple choice options, that would be letter B. Okay, looking at number 2. Number 2, my first equation here is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. So my y-intercept is that plus 4, so I'm going to go up 4, plot a point, and then use that slope of negative 1/3 to go up 1, left 3, up 1, left 3. And then I'm going to continue it in the opposite direction, down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3, etc. So I got my line there. Then my next equation, y equals 1/6 x plus 1. I'm going to start at my y-intercept, which is positive 1, and then I'm going to go up 1 to the right 6, and I am going to go down 1 to the left 6. And we found pretty quickly there my intersection point between those two lines is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 2. So this point is 6, comma 2. So my intersection point is our solution. So our solution here is 6, comma 2.